Hello people of the world. If you are new here, my name is Brunel. If you are not, then you already know my name. Welcome back. Hello, aloha, you know, whatever, ciao, salut, bienvenue mesdames et messieurs. Yes, so welcome to my channel. New products. I'm going to try and be as quick as possible. Quickly read the information about this product. These are the new face form baking and setting powders from Sleek Makeup. They are super affordable. They're £7 each, and in the packaging you get 14 grams, which if you are Americano, then that would be 0.49 ounces. So that's what you get, and amazingly actually they're quite inclusive. You have got a light one, you've got banana, you've got medium, and you've also got I think it is deep. Yeah, you've got medium, you've got deep as well. So you're covered, which is quite nice. So it's for baking and for setting your makeup. I'm just going to go for maybe a couple of shades just to try it out and see what it's like. I'm going to have a good sniffer. Now, before I do that, let me quickly read what it says. These are the claims. If you want to skip straight to the demo, then look somewhere. I never know which side it is, but look on somewhere and then you'll be able to see. It says here, Sleek Makeup face for baking and setting powder. It says with its light undertones, the light Sleek Makeup face form baking and setting powder is essential for contouring and also and beyond. Set and bake your makeup with the Sleek Makeup. Oh gosh, too much makeup. What's going on? Start that again. Set and bake your makeup with Sleek Makeup face form baking and setting powder for a long-lasting and durable wear. That's it, which is fine. Not really major claims. It is what it is. I'm not going to be baking today. I'm just simply trying to see what the powder is like, and whether it's finely milled or it's a bit grainy, or what it's like. What's the deal? What's the deal? That's what we're trying to find out here, to see whether it's worth maybe trying the cheaper version rather than the more expensive powders. I hope I do like them. I've got 3 here, so I better use them. I still love my Laura Mercier, but we're going to try the others and see. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the banana, which I'm going to use to set under my eyes. And of course, as usual, the banana, it is, as you can see here, hopefully, there you have it. It is yellow, hence the banana. So I'm just going to try a little bit. And actually, let me see if there's a smell first. I always end up putting my nose in it, so be very gentle. There is no smell, which is good. It's not perfume, unlike Huda's one, which I do like the powder, but it does look very finely milled. I'm just going to put a little bit at the back of my hand so we can see. I mean, it doesn't do much, but just so you can see. And see how well. So it does feel, I was going to say it does feel very powdery. It's a powder. It does feel kind of fine. So that's fine. I'm just going to try it and see what it's like. I like that it's not too much, not over the top. The next shade, which is medium, I'm just gonna, just for the sake of it, I'm gonna use that just lightly on my nose, and just to see. Because my nose tends to get very oily. It's a pain in the proverbial. That's fine. So it is finely milled. It does remind me a bit of the Becca. Honestly, as in it's a finely milled actually powder. So no graininess, no funny feeling at all, and it's also not, well, yeah, it's decent. I have no complaints so far. As well, well, it bakes and whether it really works. It's a powder. I mean, they tend to do that quite a bit. And then I'm going to now try the dark one as well, the deep as well, just to try and give the illusion of a contour. I've not put anything on my cheeks, but just to see how deep this one is. This is the deep shade, and just gonna give it a try. Just a hint, I'm not trying to do much with it. Okay, so I've got all of the 3 shades now. For me, the deep one runs a little bit, teeny little bit more red. But that's that. And I normally would not necessarily use that one for contouring, but you can use it, as I said, for contour and actually create that. I'm just going to wipe it off and see. I'm not, as I said earlier, not intending to actually bake. So I'm just going to see just how easily it actually comes off. So you're going to see lots of fluff all over the place, but just to see how easily I'm also pressing it into the skin, especially underneath my eyes. Okay, so these powders are very light. You're not going to really find them where you put them on and it's just over the top. You then have to build them up, which is actually a better option as well. I'm not necessarily, I'm not a fan of the deep one, but I will obviously spend more time trying to blend everything in. But I actually like the medium one because I thought maybe the medium would be way too light, but I can get away with using it on the nose first before I then have to use another powder to blend everything in. I normally end up using MAC's Mineralizer Skin Finish in Dark Deep. So that ends up making everything more uniformed. But I do like the banana one because it's not over the top too bright and too yellow. Sometimes it can be a little bit too yellow, and then you're spending more time trying to blend everything in because it's just, for me, I don't like it when it's too yellow. So that's actually, the banana one is perfect for me. And yeah, I'm super happy with it. So I'm just gonna go and do off the rest of my face and finish that off. But yeah, I'm quite happy with it. Other than that, I don't think there's anything else. Super affordable, not scented. Yes, thank God for that. And if you are here in the UK, you can buy this from Look Fantactic, also from Pretty Little Thing. But you do have to shop around because Pretty Little Thing doesn't have the deeper shades, whereas Look Fantactic has the deeper shades but not the light shade. So depending on what you're going for, you'll have to shop around and have a look, but it is still accessible. Strangely enough, at the time when I went to buy these, they did not have these powders available on the Sleek Zone website, which is so weird. Yeah, I don't understand that, but they didn't have it on their site. They might very well do, and if they do, obviously I'll make a note here so you guys know you can buy it directly from them. But just, you know, Google it, and then you should be able to see which sellers have got which shades available. But yeah, I'm happy with 2 of them. That's not bad. 2 out of 3. It's not bad at all. But as usual, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Oh, I haven't said that in a long time. But yeah, whatever you feel like doing, just go ahead. And then I will see you guys sometime next week, some point. Bye.